Good morning, respected authorities, all teachers, my lovely students and parents. Good morning. Today, again, we are meeting. Students, you are so smart and lovely that we have a good rapport with each other. We have seen so many things in grammar. For example, noun, types of noun, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, all we have seen. Today, again, we are meeting for the next lesson and we will learn new things in playway method. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Children, good morning again and welcome. Let us start today's session. 2021. Today is Saturday. Today's subject is English, grammar, topic, articles. Here, Seema Pohan Pandey, Sainath Municipal Marathi School number 1, Ghatkopar, welcomes you in our project Shala Band Pan Shikshan Chalu by Bruhan Mumbai Mahanagarpalika Shikshan Vibhag. So, children, again, we are going to learn a new topic, articles. Let us see what we are doing. But before that, let us have today's thought of the day. Respect is earned, not given. Means, if you want respect, give respect and also do the things in such a way, behave in such a way, your way of talking should be in such a way that everybody will give you respect. Students, respect, for respect, if you want respect, you have to work hard. Nobody will give you respect without any reason. मुलांनो, रिस्पेक्ट म्हणजे आदर. आदर आपल्याला मिळवायचा असतो. कुणाकडून मिळत नाही. मिळवणे आणि मिळणे यात फरक आहे. मिळवायचा असेल तर तुमची वाणी गोड हवी, तुमचं वागणं उत्तम हवं. त्याचबरोबर तुम्ही इतरांना आदर दिलात तर आपोआप तुम्हाला आदर मिळेल. जर तुम्हीच कोणाचा आदर केला नाही तर कोणी आपल्याला आदर देत नाही. तेव्हा लक्षात आज आपण सगळ्यांनी लक्षात ठेवूया की आदर मिळवूया. Respect is earned, not given. Students, I think that you have understood what I want to say. Okay, so let us start our lesson. Today we are going to learn about articles. Students, what is the aim behind it? What you are taking with you today? आज तुम्ही काय शिकणार आहात आणि काय तुमच्या बरोबर ज्ञानात भर घालून घेऊन जाणार आहात? First, enable to understand what is articles. Articles means what? Why they are used in English? What is the importance of that articles in our language study? This is first object. Now second, identify articles from the sentences. Now, we understood that there are articles in the sentences, but how we can identify, how can find out them? आपण त्यांना शोधायचं कसं वाक्यामध्ये? म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा आर्टिकल्स म्हणजे काय समजून घ्यायचंय. भाषेमध्ये आर्टिकल्स का वापरतात हे बघायचंय. त्याच्यानंतर ते ओळखायचे आहे. And the last one, use of articles in sentences. Not only identify, but you will be able to use that articles in sentences on your own. त्याच आर्टिकल्सचा योग्य रीतीने वापर करणं हे सुद्धा शिकणार आहे. मीन्स टुडे वी आर going to learn what is articles, identify articles, and use of articles in sentences. या 3 गोष्टी आपल्याला शिकायच्या. मग हे करण्यासाठी आपल्याला पहिल्या गोष्टीपासून आपल्याकडे लक्ष द्यायचं. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय होईल, लक्षात येईल की कुठं आर्टिकल कोणतं वापरायचं आहे. विच आर्टिकल वेअर वी आर गोइंग टू यूज. देन लेट अस सी. Children, there are 3 articles in English: a and the. Here I am reading a, but when I am using it in sentence, I will say a. That is sound. So there are 3 articles in English. First, a and the. Now, what is article? Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Now, these are the 3 articles, a and the. What is the use of it? First, remember, it comes with noun and they define, they specify, or sometimes unspecific also. Unspecific and specific means particular, that particular thing, particular noun. म्हणजेच ते जे आपण नाम आहे वाक्यामध्ये, ते वाक्य स्पेसिफाय करणं किंवा अनस्पेसिफिक करणं त्याच्यासाठी वापरलं जातं. They combine to a noun means they come with noun. Now all of you know what is noun. Cupboard, watch, bed, window, chalk, or blackboard, bench. All these are nouns, you know. Dipta madam has taken what is noun, types of nouns. So these articles come with noun. Now let us see the example. After a long day, the cup of tea tasted particularly good. Now see the first part. After a long day. We don't know which day. That is long day, but when? We don't know. So it's unspecific. So here a come here. A long day. Now see the next part of this sentence. The cup of tea tasted particularly good. Now in this sentence, do you know which is noun? Yes, tea. Not only tea, cup of tea. But before that we have used the, because we know the cup of tea. Which cup of tea? Which tasted good. ज्याची चव खूप उत्तम होती असा, म्हणजे this is specific. Here the cup of tea is specific. So we have used the. But a long day, we don't know for which day. So here we have used a long day. So here a, the, these are articles and they show specific or unspecific noun. They define, म्हणजे तुम्हाला दाखवतात, सांगतात की specific की unspecific. Now let us see the next part of it. Here the articles has also types. There are 2 types of articles. First is indefinite, second is definite. Now definite means what and indefinite means what? Indefinite, I say before also, particular, exact. Indefinite means we don't know, and definite means we know. Means am I talking about the articles? Yes, but indefinite article means the noun is not specific. इथं मी indefinite हे जे वापरते ते कधी वापरायचं कधी असं नाहीये. तर इथं ए and an अशा रीतीने वापरतो की जिथं आपल्याला कोणतं नाउन आहे हे माहित नाहीये. एनी नाउन, फॉर एक्झाम्पल विंडो, एनी विंडो, देर आय विल से अ विंडो. और आईस्क्रीम, an ice cream, any ice cream. I don't know which ice cream or you don't know any ice cream. That is called indefinite. And definite means the, where we know, we are sure. There we use the. Now, first we will see article a and an. A and an. Now, when we use a and an, both are indefinite articles. तुमचे शुअर नाही, तिथं तुम्ही इनडेफिनेट आर्टिकल वापरताय. आता मग ए आणि एन मध्ये फरक काय, मग ते कधी वापरायचं? व्हेन शुड वी यूज ए, व्हेन शुड वी यूज एन? सो लेट अस सी. फर्स्ट ए, used when the noun is singular. A is used when noun is singular. For example, bed, it is singular, then we will use a bed. But there another rule also. Noun begins with consonant. When that particular noun begins with consonant, we use a. Now, let us say an. This is also used when the noun is singular. Like a or a, we use an also with singular noun when the noun is singular. But then what is difference between a and an? मग आर्टिकल अ आणि an कधी वापरायचं? तर मगाशी म्हणतात तसं, when noun begins with consonant we use a, and when nouns begins with vowel we use an. Now, do you remember, children, what is consonant and what is vowel? Let us revise ourselves. Let us see what is consonant, what is vowel. I know, children, all of you know what is consonant, what is vowel. तुमच्या लक्षात असेल निश्चित. Consonant म्हणजे काय and vowel म्हणजे काय. Let us revise. Now, alphabets. There are 26 alphabets and they are divided into two groups, consonants and vowels. Now, this is defined, or these two types, they have defined as a sound, not as alphabet. So, first consonant. Look at your screen, students. So many alphabets they have given in consonant. For example, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These all are consonants. And when we read it as a sound, we should not use B and C. How we read? B, K, T, F, like that. Now come to the vowels. Now what is vowels? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Here I have written A, O, U, E, I. It's okay. But these are 5 vowels. Then what is vowels? Which comes with our sound. Or we can say air. When we are pronouncing vowels, we use only air. But when we pronounce consonants, we use our teeth, our lips, our tongue. बघा, कॉन्सोनंटचा उच्चार करताना आपल्याला काय करावं लागतं? आपल्या तोंडातल्या सगळ्या भागांचा उपयोग करावा लागतो. बॅक ऑफ द टीथ, टीथच्या मागची वरची बाजू, खालची बाजू किंवा दोन्ही बाजू, ओठ, सगळ्यांचा वापर होतो. पण जेव्हा वॉवेल उच्चारतो, A, E, I, O, U, here only we use air. So, Now, children, I think you have come to know what is consonant and what is vowel. Consonants म्हणजे काय and vowels म्हणजे काय आपण थोडंसं रिवाइज केलं. Now, these are some examples of consonants vowels. Children, see the pictures and the names of the picture. Ball. Ball. Now, this word start with B. 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 It's consonant. Now, second, house. House. Now, this word starts with H. 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 This is also consonant. We have seen turtle. Turtle. T. 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 This is also consonant. Cat. C. Cat. H. C. It starts with C. Means in these examples, for examples, B, H, T, C. These are the consonants. Now see the another part of here. Apple. Apple. A. So it starts with A. Elephant. E. It starts with E. Ice. Ice. It starts with I. See, these first four pictures, the starting of that words, starting those words, B, H, T, C. And here, A, E, I. So these are the two types, consonants and vowel. Some alphabets are consonants and some sounds are vowels. Now, see the next one. Now, students, in your mind, it's fixed. तुमच्या आता मनात फिक्स झालंय कॉन्सोनंट म्हणजे काय आणि व्हॉवेल्स म्हणजे काय. ए ई आय ओ यू हे सगळे व्हॉवेल्स आणि बाकीचे सगळे उरलेले कॉन्सोनंट्स. एवढं पक्क लक्षात ठेवा. ए ई आय ओ यू हे 5 व्हॉवेल्स लक्षात ठेवले की उरलेले सगळे साऊंड्स काय मध्ये येणार आहेत, कॉन्सोनंट्स मध्ये. आता we will see the indefinite article a. पहिल्यांदा आपण अ या आर्टिकल कडे जाऊया, which is indefinite. The indefinite article is a is used before a consonant sound. We have just seen consonant sound. Look at these pictures and words also. A dog, a pilot, a teacher, a cupboard, a chalk. Now see the first alphabet or first letter, not alphabet, first letter of every word. प्रत्येक शब्दाचं पहिलं अक्षर बघा. Dog, D means D. Pilot, P means pa. Teacher, T, T. Cupboard, K. Chalk, K. D, P, T, C, C. Everywhere you will see consonant. प्रत्येक ठिकाणी तुम्हाला consonant दिसतोय. So here we will use a. Here we will use a. Now let us see another. Now you will say what is indefinite. Let us see in the next thing. Now look at these pictures. You can see elephant, engineer, athlete. Here, look at those words. An engineer, an elephant, an athlete. Students, just observe first letter of every word. प्रत्येक शब्दाचा पहिलं अक्षर पहा. Engineer, E. Elephant, E. Athlete, A. Now every word is started with vowel. So an engineer, an elephant, an athlete. Before that, when we were looking at the words, they were consonant. तिथं कॉन्सोनंट होते म्हणून आपण तिथं काय वापरलं अ. इथं सगळे वॉवेल्स आलेत म्हणून इथं वापरलं ॲन. हे आता लक्षात ठेवायचं. अँड कधी वापरायचं आणि अ कधी वापरायचं. नाउ नेक्स्ट. Now you will think that whenever you will see the vowels, you will use an. आता तुमच्या मनात पक्क बसलंय की मी जेव्हा जेव्हा an सॉरी vowels असेल A, E, I, O, U तेव्हा तेव्हा मी an वापरतो. But there are some exceptions for that. पण त्याच्यासाठी काही रूल मध्ये काही ठिकाणी मात्र बदल होतो. कसा बदल होतो? How it changed? Let us see in these examples. First example, the earth. Now, earth is start with vowel E, but here we have used the. You will think that here there should be an, but why it is not an? Because it is only one unique, which we know. एकच पृथ्वी आहे जे आपल्याला माहित आहे. तशा आकाशात भरपूर आहेत, अवकाशात भरपूर आहेत, पण which we know only one earth is there, so where they used the, not an. We are going to see that in next also, in next part of the lesson also. And our. Now listen the pronunciation of our. Now see the spelling of that our is H, starts with H, means it's a consonant, but we are pronouncing it as a vowel, our. We are not saying that our. Pronunciation पण बघायचं आहे. प्रोनाउन्सिएशन मध्ये साऊंड वर लक्ष द्यायचं आहे. जर साऊंड आपल्याला असं ऐकू येत असेल की वॉवेल सारखा, तर जरी ते कॉन्सोनंट असलं तरी त्याच्या आधी ॲन येणार. See this next, a university. You will say, why not an university? U is there, it is vowel. But listen the pronunciation of university. University. Children, here I am using universe, means y, and y means y. Y is not a vowel, so even if it is there U, it's the word start with U. Children, it's pronounced as a Y. त्याचा pronunciation Y सारखं होतं, म्हणून इथं अ आला. Now next, an honorable, like honor, our. Honorable, honor, we are pronouncing it as a honor or honorable, not honorable or honor. We are pronouncing it as a vowel, honor. A is there in pronunciation. Spelling मध्ये H आहे, पण pronunciation मध्ये अ येतो, म्हणून आपण इथं अँड लावलाय. म्हणजे आपल्या मुलांना लक्षात ठेवलं पाहिजे की pronunciation काय आहे. Here when we are using articles, pronunciation is much more important. So first pronounce it, and when you will find that it is vowel or consonant, it pronounced like vowel or consonant, you will use according to that. Now let us see next. Now there are some rules while using a or an. What is the first rule? The article a or an is used. We do not specify the things or people we are talking about. Means what? When we are not fixed, we are not specified. Anything, any people, just I said in the beginning only, that we don't know what we are talking about, only anything of that category. Means for cat. When this is happening, students, you know, there we will use a or an according to vowels and consonants. आपल्याला पर्टिक्युलर कोणती वस्तू हे माहित नाही, कोणती एक त्या कॅटेगरीतली, त्या जातीतली कोणता माणूस आहे ते आपल्याला माहित नाही, then we will use a or an. Now, when the speaker talks about an object, that the listener doesn't know. Means I'm speaker and you are listener. मी बोलणारी आहे आणि तुम्ही ऐकणारे आहात. मी ऑब्जेक्ट बद्दल बोलतीये, बट लिस्नर डझंट नो. पण तुम्हाला माहित नाही मी कोणत्या ऑब्जेक्ट बद्दल बोलते, कोणत्या वस्तूबद्दल बोलते, कोणत्या माणसाबद्दल बोलते. देन वी विल यूज अ or an. Means again the same thing. If I say cupboard, I'm saying cupboard, a cupboard. But you don't know which cupboard. There are so many cupboards. किती तरी आहेत तिकडे, पण तुम्हाला माहित नाही कोणतं आहे. There we will use a. And the article a or an used when the noun is in singular form. Now you all of you know singular and plural. So when the nouns or the objects in the sentences are in singular, a singular form मध्ये असतील तेव्हा a and an वापरायचं. तेव्हा विद्यार्थ्यांना लक्षात ठेवा, when we don't know the things, the objects are not specific or they are singular, we will use a or an. Now let us see the next. The indefinite article a or an in sentence format. We have seen what is a, what is when, what is a and when we are going to use, but how we will use in sentences. Let us see the first example. I have a pen. A pen. I don't know which pen. Student, you will say the pen is there. मी फक्त एक्झाम्पल म्हणून तिचं चित्र दिलंय तुमच्या लक्षात. पण एनी पेन, I don't know which pen, so I will use a pen. I met a friend. I have so many friends, but I met a friend. कोणत्या मैत्रिणीला किंवा मित्राला भेटले हे माहित नाहीये, पण भेटले. पण ऐकणाऱ्याला माहित नाही, तुम्हाला माहित नाही. The listener doesn't know. I work in a factory, any factory. I work there, but I don't know which. You don't know which factory I work. I know, but the listener doesn't know. Then we will use a. I borrowed a pencil. I just borrowed a pencil, any pencil. She is eating an apple. I saw an ant. Now, anything here, it is not specified. It is not particular. कोणतं हे माहित नाही, फक्त आपल्याला नाउन माहित आहे, पण तो कोणता पेन, कोणता मित्र, कोणतं सफरचंद माहित नाही. बोलणाऱ्याचं फक्त ऐकतोय. There we use a or an. Again, verb and consonant. Now let us see the third one, article the. Now this is definite article. Before that we have seen indefinite article. Now we are looking at definite article. Definite article, I have told you what is definite article. Means we are sure. When both are sure, means as a speaker I am sure and as a listener you are speaking. You know. So both are known about that object. Specified that object. There we use the. For example, the car over there is fast. You will say, ma'am, here we don't know which car, but I have written there, over there is fast. Means the car over there. तिथं जी कार आहे ती. म्हणजे इथं particularly सांगितलंय. The speaker is specifying that car, which is that over there. So here we use the car. The president of the United States is giving a speech tonight. Now the president, only if I said president, a president. But here I have given you more information or situation. Which president? The United States. United States president. United States president. दुसरे नाही. तिथं म्हणून द आलंय. Now let us see the next one. When we speak of something or someone for the first time, we use a or an. The next time we repeat the object, we use the definite article the. Now students, this is big sentence. You will might confused. Let us see with the example. एक्झाम्पल कडनं आपण आपल्या सेंटेन्स ह्याच्याकडे जाऊया, स्टेटमेंट कडे जाऊया. I live in a house. I live in a house. Here house is not specified. एका घरात राहतो, एक आहे स्पेसिफाय नाही म्हणून अ हाऊस. अँड द हाऊस, आता इथं बघा परत हाऊस आले, पण त्याच्या आधीच्या वाक्यात आपण काय केलेलं होतं, सांगितलेलं होतं कोणता हाऊस. Is quite old and has 4 bedrooms. Now, the speaker is sure that which house I'm talking about, and the listener is also know about which house the speaker is talking. मी कोणत्या घराबद्दल बोलतोय हे आधीच्या वाक्यात आलं, पहिल्या वाक्यात माहित नव्हतं कोणतं घर, पण दुसऱ्या वाक्यात आधीच्या घराबद्दल परत बोलतोय, म्हणजे तिथं फिक्स झालंय, स्पेसिफिक झालंय, म्हणून द हाऊस. See the next. I ate in Chinese restaurant. The restaurant was very good. In the first sentence, let us see first sentence. I eat in a Chinese restaurant. Here, which restaurant is not specified, and the restaurant is only one, so a Chinese restaurant. And the restaurant was very good. Now, which restaurant? That Chinese restaurant. So here it is specified. पहिलं जे मी म्हटलं होतं, when we speak of something or someone for the first time, we use a or an. पहिल्यांदा जेव्हा एखाद्या गोष्टीबद्दल, ऑब्जेक्ट बद्दल, माणसाबद्दल बोलतो तेव्हा अ वापरायचं किंवा an वापरायचं, कारण तेव्हा माहित नाही. बट व्हेन यू आर नेक्स्ट टाइम वी रिपीट द ऑब्जेक्ट, तेच ऑब्जेक्ट जेव्हा आपण रिपीट करतो तेव्हा द वापरायचं. म्हणून हे दोन सेंटेन्सेस अगेन वी विल रीड. I live in a house. Here, first time I am using house, so it is a house. The house, here again I am using, before I have used it, so here it is the. Now let us see next one. If the thing we meet is unique, what is unique? Which is only one in the world, we use the. जेव्हा ते एकच असतं जगामध्ये, म्हणजे जे आपल्याला माहित आहे, तेव्हा द वापरायचं. मग ते व्हॉवेलनं स्टार्ट होऊ दे, नाहीतर ते कॉन्सोनंटनं स्टार्ट होऊ दे, नाहीतर काही असो, इथं आपण द वापरतो. जगात जेव्हा एखादी गोष्ट युनिक असते, दुसरी नसते, व्हेन इट इज ओनली वन विच वी नो. आता तुम्ही म्हणाल आम्ही भूगोलमध्ये बरंच वाचलंय, चंद्र बरेच असतात, सूर्य बरेच, अवकाशात बरंच आहे, आकाशगंगा बऱ्याच आहे, पण आपल्याला एकच माहित आहे. सो दॅट इज युनिक फॉर अस. सो द माउंट एव्हरेस्ट इज द टॉलेस्ट माउंटन इन द वर्ल्ड. द माउंट एव्हरेस्ट इज ओनली वन. माउंट एव्हरेस्ट एकच आहे म्हणून द आलं. अँड द टॉलेस्ट, नाउ इट इज अ सुपरलेटिव्ह डिग्री, वी विल सी इट इन 8th स्टँडर्ड. तिथं द कसं आलं हे 8th स्टँडर्ड मध्ये येणार तुम्हाला. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, द मून ग्लिटर्स. Again, moon is unique. The sun shines. Sun is alone, unique. The earth is round. Now earth, you will say E. We have seen that. Earth, it pronounced as but it's E. It is a vowel. It is also singular. Still we are using the, because here earth is only one earth. It's unique. And the sky is blue. Sky, it is also a singular. Now, if the thing we meet is specific, it's clear which thing we mean, we use the. We know which thing we are talking about, then we use the. For example, I saw a car crash. The driver was safe. Now you will say where the driver was not there in the first sentence. Still you have used the, but a car crashed. कारचा ऍक्सिडेंट झालाय, मग त्याच्यात ड्रायव्हर असणार आहे. मीन्स हिअर दॅट्स वाय वी हॅव युज्ड द ड्रायव्हर ऑफ द कार दॅट क्रॅश्ड, म्हणजे द ड्रायव्हर ऑफ दॅट कार. ओके. नाउ नो आर्टिकल. Children, you will think that whenever there is a noun, we have to use a and the. But there are some exceptions. There are some nouns where we will not use article. For example, countries. See the first sentence. He lives in Washington. Washington is one you can place. It is a name of the place where we will not use any article. Her house is near a lake. Lake, तलाव. असं असेल तेव्हा सुद्धा वापरायचं नाही. And I live in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the name of the place where we live. Sorry. So here we will not use any article, not a, not an, not the. But if the state is a collection of the country's collection of states, अनेक स्टेट एकत्र आले असतील तर मात्र द वापरायचं. द युनायटेड स्टेट. मागच्या मध्ये आपण बघितलं होतं द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द युनायटेड स्टेट. कारण इथं अनेक स्टेट्स एकत्र येऊन ते कंट्री बनले तेव्हा वापरायचं. Now, we do not normally use an article with plurals and uncountable nouns. Now, you all of you know what is plural, what is uncountable. Deepta madam has taken that, so I will not revise it again. See, he writes books. Books is a plural. So, we will not, even if it is noun, we will not use any article. She likes sweets. Sweets, uncountable. Do you like jazz music? Here also we will not use article. She ate bread. Bread is noun, but it is uncountable. With butter, uncountable. So we will not use any article here, even if it is a noun. He writes books. She likes sweets. Do you like jazz music? She ate bread with butter in the morning. Books, sweets, jazz music, bread, butter, all are nouns. But we are not using because either they are plurals or uncountable. Uncountable noun असेल जे मोजता येत नाही अमुक आहे ते, किंवा अनेक वचन असेल जनरली तेव्हा आपण आर्टिकल वापरत नाही. Now, evaluation. Children, we have seen 3 articles, a and the. When it is indefinite, we don't know specific. ऐकणाऱ्यालाही माहित नाहीये की कशाबद्दल बोलणारा बोलतोय, तेव्हा आपण अ किंवा an वापरतो अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हॉवेल और कॉन्सोनंट. आणि जर आपल्याला माहित असेल की कशाबद्दल आपण बोलतोय तेव्हा आपण द वापरतो. तेव्हा students, are you ready for the answers? Let us filling the blanks. आपण filling the blanks करूया. उत्तर देणार ना? चला आपण स्टार्ट करूया. बघा पहिलं वाक्य. I have cat. Cat is fat. Which article will come in the first part of the sentence?
Teacher Vishakha बोलू?
हो बोल. Very good Vishakha.
I have a cat. A cat is fat.
Okay. Now Vishakha, first part, I have a cat. Correct. We don't know which cat it is. But in second sentence, we know which cat it is, which cat is fat, because it has come in the first sentence. So what we will use?
Which cat is fat?
Okay, which is it article? There are 3 articles, Vishakha. A and the. We have to use that.
The cat is fat.
Yes, correct. Very good. Very good. Well done. Now the next sentence. Recently I read interesting story. Who will tell me which article will come there?
Teacher, can I say?
Yes. Yes.
Recently I read an interesting story.
See the first alphabet of or letter of the interesting, I. When it is I, what should we use?
And.
Yes, correct. Very good. That's a good girl. So think when you are using, no, think about that. Consonant, vowel, specific, unspecific. See, It's good idea. Who will use? Yes, students. What will come there? It's a good idea. What do you think? What will come? A, an, or the?
It's a
good
idea.
Teacher Anne.
Why, Anne?
Teacher
Can you
A.
tell me?
It's a
And
good
it is
idea.
an good idea.
Why? G
A
is
good
vowel.
idea.
Okay, okay. The boy who was talking. नाव सांगशील का बाळा तुझा मुलगा कोण बोलतोय त्याचं?
ऋग्वेद सुतार.
Rugved. Rugved, you are correct. A good idea. Why not an? Because it not started with vowel. बघायचं vowel आहे का? मग. Okay. Good try. Very good. Now Titanic was called unsinkable ship. Titanic. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी ऐकले टायटॅनिक बद्दल. काय येईल
Teacher Vishaka बोलू Vishaka.
हा.
And Titanic was called an unsinkable ship.
Okay, an unsinkable ship, correct. Because it starts with un. U. It is vowel.
And teacher, the Titanic was.
The Titanic. Correct. Now you are very much correct.
But Titanic was one.
Yes, the Titanic was only one. That's why it's the Titanic. Very good, Vishaka. You are giving me the reasons also, rules also. So before talk, before say, before to think. The Titanic, very good. And unsinkable because it starts with O, unsinkable. Now the last one, last chance. Bill got pain. What will come there? Which one will come there? A, an, or the? Bill got pen.
Bill got a pen.
Correct.
The pen is red.
Correct. Very good. Bill got a pen because we haven't specified. You don't know which pen. But in the next, the pen because we know it. Good. Very good. Well done, students. Very good. Now, this is your homework. Can you take a screenshot of it? Take a screenshot. Done? Taken? Have you taken screenshot? Okay. Thank you.
Teacher. Thank
Yes.
you, teacher.
Thank you very much for your participation and for your listening.